And me I tell you say, me know say man side of me have one touch a piece.
A touch? You sure it was a touch?
Well, it's a bucket then. Something about him piss up. And me I said, Jesus, let me reach apple tree. God no, let me reach. Please, God, make it. God, if you make me reach apple tree, no! I turn on Christian.
One nipple on the vagina.
So we know them, girl. And so we know them. Yeah, girl, you're in the family. You're in the family.
Bad girls step out, I'm stunting. My ties them tick like pumpkin. Look pon me, big body jumping. My money tick like a caramel dumpling.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining. If you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Today we will be doing Would You Rather with Sasha. I have some hot question and I have some we, keep put down the hotness to a different level. You get what I say? So let's get into it.
So apparently I'm here on the hot seat today.
Yes, so we will be asking you what do you rather.
No problem.
So, number one question. Would you rather constantly dry eyes or runny nose?
Oh God. Dry eyes, I went down my eye. What the fuck that mean?
If your eye then dry as in, you know what? As on my eye would have alright, your eye dry like, I don't know, backside.
I prefer running nose because at least you can have a rag and blow it, I'm not sure what dry eyes, what dry eyes really is, honestly. So I'd rather running nose.
Would you rather sell all of your possessions or sell one of your organs?
Bumbo. Me I sell everything I have because I can't work and buy it back. Organs, I'm not really sure about that. Not my organ. I'd rather sell possessions. Everything. Yeah.
Would you rather a man that steals cash from you or your clothes?
Why would the clothes them, massa? Why would the clothes them, massa? Because the money when I have can buy back clothes that you thief. But if you thief money and not clothes them, thief your clothes them, my love. Yeah.
But suppose I wear my wear. You want a man wear thief your clothes so wear it back?
Him can't wear it back, missy.
One can wear back in that closet though.
Yeah. But him can't wear back, missy. Oh.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Would you rather be reincarnated as a fly or cease to exist after you die?
But we dead and continue dead and just stay dead.
You don't want to be a fly?
A fly playing a shit and every damn thing. Me just dead and it done.
You don't want to play a little shit and run up and down from
That's we dead. Maybe go look for God or one of them. I'm really sure. You know one of them. Got some mama room?
No sir.
You don't want to say something? Tell her say
I'm trying to keep far from those tough guys.
For you're
There's so
pregnant?
much weight me I put on and I'm pregnant. I just wait.
Rum do something to you yet?
Yes, make your belly big.
Well, mine is going to be big. Yeah, let's mine. Well, big man, not a problem. You know why? You know why I put on more flesh? Tini bakas. If I come for the people in channel, it will be something. Alright, next.
Would you rather be unable to move your body every time it rains or not be able to stop moving when the sun is out? So you can't move your body when it rains, or you can't stop moving your body when the sun is out.
You know what? I like feel like me can't move. It kind of let me feel
like
I'm suffocating and things. So anything away from that, would I do the excitement with the rain story part?
The sun.
The sun, I mean, sorry. Not the rain, the sun.
Alright. You hear that, guys? Would you rather kiss your best friend on the lips or a guy you don't know?
Who are my best friend again? I have so much. Well, I have about 3 best friends. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. More than that, them did have it. Rumor spreads and me and her there. So more like kiss her. I don't mind.
then say sorry.
Don't say yeah. Why not? Them don't have it at all.
Man, you know.
And you know say, me not know if she have any feelings at all for me. And me always look up to her as a bigger person and a best friend. So I never actually look upon her sexually at any point. But if it come to the test where me think about it, maybe would I think about it. That's nice, you know. But we never, honestly, nothing at all. We never. The most we do are hug, you know, friendly stuff, but never kiss no. But why? Me not kiss nobody. I just look at. Maybe them have ginger in their mouth and gingivitis and then me will kiss her because I know she brushed her teeth and I a nice girl. So me will kiss her. I not kiss nobody when I don't know. Next.
So would you rather a rich man stop looking at my book? Would you rather a rich man that abuses you?
Oh no.
Or a poor man that steals and cheats on you, steals from you and cheats on you?
No, type 2 of them.
No, you have to pick one. It's what would you rather?
Well, a rich man, me and him I got married or not? Would I married?
Yeah.
Then would I choose a rich man because I know if him put his hand on me one time, him dead.
I get
all them possessions.
after divorce.
But the poor man, you don't have nothing on your teeth from me. No man.
And I cheat.
And then you broke and you want cheat pan good. Me? You're mad.
Okay.
We will take the rich man we are beat. Cause the only time I go beat me one time in a Godland. Cause I know next time it now go so.
Yeah, I go beat me.
I do like my dear man and make cook breakfast for him. You know sure? But I say cook breakfast for him?
You're not normal at all.
Because you have icky almond. Hey! Ooh, that's why you put on this camera and everyone on a brush.
Love me,
Oh God, because yeah. Oh.
Would you rather a man that have a side girl or a girl that pleases you both? Would you rather a man that has a side chick or him have a girl that pleases two only?
See, side chick part not work for me. You
She
see,
up in her feelings with fear, man.
no, ignorant. The side chick sticky. Because guess what? You have one side chick and I take they want to take your man. You see, girl, way me and him are gonna agree to. Maybe I gonna have somewhat. Maybe she gonna have something she want, but I not him. Maybe she gonna want him things or when she can get her, you know, but not him. And the aim is for not want she want him, but please him at the same time. But maybe would I go with the one where want me and him. Hear my phone ring out. Come on, T.
Would you rather a gay friend who wanna turn you into gay or a straight friend that always stabs you in the back?
I'm telling you something. I'm not really run friend joke. So I'm not really have quite a friend. I prefer. What I mean gay, I mean like female we are female, we're there with woman.
Yeah. And she want to
turn me in a lesbian or a bisexual. Fine. Because guess what? It's up to me whether me want to do it or not, you know. Don't it? Because me have a choice right there. So. But when time you have one friend where, hey, what go on, baby? Yeah, alright, Mr. Girl, and then boom, Sash, we said the dirty girl bell. Go over here and that was full of cobweb.
Hey! Guys,
no. Me alright with the girl, we are going to introduce me to woman or butcher or whatever. Yeah, you can't matter with the dirty friend them. Dirty friend them now work for me.
guys, please like, share, and subscribe.
That's it?
No, but me have to, remind them for them to like, share, and subscribe.
And stay tuned because we have one big nice big things that go on. Yes, few vlogs, few videos away. Yes, so stay tuned. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like and share, because good body night. Yeah. Alright, next question. Next question.
No, sir. Would you rather a feminine boyfriend or a masculine girlfriend?
I don't have girlfriends. Girlfriend as in
woman. Yo, other half.
I have a
she
girlfriend.
act like a man.
I have a girlfriend.
But you have a man, you act like a woman that you want?
No, listen to me.
But walk with the handbag.
Well, backside and all. Are you ask me because I'm answer what? Maybe answer you. But don't have a girlfriend because I'm strictly. Yeah. But prefer they have a girl will behave masculine than one man I'm there with in a tight jeans, what I'm body a shoe.
Just a wind up in butt.
And him wine and him first thing. I'm not run them Jody. Me a bad girl. Me no runs her the excitement. You mad? Of my man, me would have been a masculine girl with one feminine man. No man, my man have to bad like me. My man have to more masculine
than you.
Cause me rough. I try to be soft, but I don't know. A girl with too much male, I think so. Cause Prince always do some wicked things. One time I have one cut and there, so no say, and me and Prince are run off of the hill. Me I tear down the whole of the place. I run and slide straight for me.
No,
me we deal with the masculine female. I can't deal with the feminine woman. Cause that means that me I'm more masculine than you and your man. No. Next question. God go with him and that, but not me.
Would you rather have 3 nipples or to be co-joined?
What that mean?
As in you and somebody stick together, as in stuck together co-joined. Or you rather have 3 nipples on your body?
3 nipple.
Which part you don't want the other one go? You don't want the other one go? She next.
There. There. Don't there. Don't there. Diggy dang. Yeah, I would have 3 nipples. I would rather have 3 nipples.
Oh, you have to restate that one there?
Never.
So would you rather can't wipe your ass while doing the number 2 or hold up your pee for over 2 days?
I'm a female. I can't hold my pee for 2 days. I'll piss myself.
But when you walk and shit in your body, you know it burn you.
And it not. You go say that some people smell of shit. So that then do. Hey, skip that question here. Hey, come to think of it. You know, say yesterday, I go up on the road. When you tell us I come and go up on the road yesterday. Sit down in one bus. And me I tell you, say, me know say man side of me have one touch a piece.
A touch? You sure it's not a touch?
What is a bucket then? Something about him piss up. And me I said, Jesus, let me reach half a tree. God no, let me reach. Please, God, me kill. God, if you let me reach half a tree, no! I turn on Christian. But he never let me reach, no. So we just look at that.
So there wasn't there many options like seats?
Me sit down over in the window and man sit down right. And
you go come say
I don't want to touch a piece. I want dash a piece. Something piss about like hey, hey, move it right along, yeah, man. But him did piss. Next question. I don't know. I still never answer which one of them though. She's. But I'm tell you, if I want my people for 2 days, it's all gonna affect me, right? But
Yes,
if my shit
not affect you, just like a burn. No, but for true, you know, when you shit and if you know wipe your body good, you know, you have to, you know, you feel sitting in your body like.
it not at you feel plaka, I feel wet.
You know what, if it hot me, my body no what good it hot me.
It not hot me wet. And it make me feel shit up. Like you know when you have run. Next question.
No, we have a good question. Would you rather can't see or can't hear?
I prefer can't hear.
You
know I make shit and give me. Me rather can't hear. Me can't read your lips. No.
What's supposed to go somewhere where you can't see?
Once me can see, me better off. Me always ask God if you make anything happen to me, make me deaf.
Alright, God forbid.
God forbid so. But no make me blind.
So final question, guys.
Why final question?
Would you rather a man that takes sex forcefully? No, I won't go into my tongue. Cho.
Yeah,
would you?
Anxiety. Anxious, me girl.
Would you rather a man
if me rather
that
one
takes
man
sex forcefully,
vagina forcefully,
no foreplay, or a man that can't stand up, so he has to give foreplay for you to,
brother,
to please you?
I prefer foreplay. Cause at least we can buy one dildo for this for substitute. Your body we can't get up. We can't say that, right? Your body we can't get up. But you'll take it and you never born with it. God go with you. Would you rather have 1 nipple or 2 nipple and no vagina?
Wait, so 1 nipple and a vagina? 1 nipple and a vagina.
Yeah, girl, you're in the family. You're in the family.